So would you say manufacturing India, that is, right across, not just West Bengal, has kept pace, has really, this thing, everyone talks of it being stagnant, it really hasn't improved.
No, like I said,
Under Modi government, I'm
No.
talking about.
Under Modi government, under the government preceding it, since the mid-60s, West Bengal has been average. Now, you may be comfortable with the average. Average is for all India. The figure you're talking about is all India. But look, if one is talking about GDP for India, except defense and railways and to some extent national highways and airports, the rest of it is generated in the states. Averages reveal certain things, they also hide certain things. If you catch hold of me, put one of my feet inside a fridge and the other one inside an oven, on an average I will be comfortable.
No, but let's take
question is West Bengal pulling up the country's average? Is it pulling down the country's average? Or is it maintaining the average at what it is? It is not pulling it down, but it is not pulling it up either.
But look at India's GDP under your watch. It is average. Whose wife would you like to compare with on this?
Sorry?
Why is it slowed down so much? I mean, this was a government that mocked the previous government for low growth, and now is stuck in a low growth path, and it is not going to match at the end.
Okay, I have no problem with answering the question, but let us recognize that now we have switched the topic from what is wrong with industry in West Bengal to blaming the Modi government. I have no problems.
Yeah, because if you are saying Modi government's performance is average, let us see the performance of the central government when it came to any of these things. And therefore, we are comparing wives in some senses.
But I already responded saying West Bengal is around average. Now, so far
is Modi government around average, would you say?
I just told you that the Modi government, 95% of national income happens at the level of the states. It does not happen, manufacturing does not happen in 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. Had it happened, the performance would have been far better.
So the states are to blame on this, you're saying?
I'm not saying the states have to be blamed. Factually, it happens in the states. There are various reasons why it has not happened. You asked 2 questions. One was about GDP. GDP, there are essentially 4 sources of growth. There is consumption, there is private investment, there is government expenditure, and there is the external sector. World over, everyone knows that much before COVID, the external sector had begun to slow down. And the high growth years that India witnessed of 9% GDP growth, they were all years in which India's exports in dollar terms grew by 15% and more. If you do a simple calculation of the share of exports in GDP, you will find that 3% to 3.5% is whittled away because the export effect has gone. So automatically from 9% you drop to about 6%. Now, so far as manufacturing is concerned, regardless of the state, there are issues of forest clearances, there are issues of clearances generally, the issues of environmental clearances, and there are issues connected with land, power, water, etc., some of which is sought to be addressed in something that Dr. Mitra mentioned, the DIPP's ease of doing business, but not all of